Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today I'm at my favorite place, Classic Auto Mall in Morgantown, Pennsylvania. I'll have all the information below. Today's video is going to be on vehicles $35,000 or less. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe and share with your friends, and enjoy the video. Thank you very much. Next up is a 2007 Ford Mustang GT Coupe. This is powered by a 4.6 liter V8 engine paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission, and this one's going for $25,900, and the color is called a Performance White with a dark charcoal interior. Here we have a 1984 Chevy Camaro Z28 Coupe. This one's powered by the 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired up with a 4-speed automatic transmission. And the color is called a charcoal pearl with a black interior, and this one's going for $29,500. Next up is a 2001 Chrysler Prowler Mulholland Edition. This is powered by a 3.5 liter V6 engine paired up with a 4-speed automatic transmission, and the color is called a Prowler Midnight Pearl Metallic with a black interior. And this one's going for $24,900, and it has 71,343 actual miles on the odometer. Next up is a 1975 Chevy Corvette Coupe. This one's powered by a 350 cubic inch L48 V8 engine paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission, and the color is called a Classic White with a black interior, and this one's going for $17,500. Here's a 1952 GMC half-ton pickup. This is powered by the 260 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder engine paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission, and the color is called a jungle green with a gray interior, and this has only got 63,282 actual miles on it, and this one's going for $21,900. Looks like it has some parts on the front seat there. Maybe some gaskets and something else. Here's a nice one. It's a 1930 Ford Model A stake body pickup. This is powered by a 302 cubic inch V8 engine paired up with a 4-speed automatic transmission. And the color is called a Valley Green and Black with a dark gray interior. And this one's going for $23,500. Very nice interior. Okay, here's a 1967 Pontiac Firebird hardtop. This one's powered by the 326 cubic inch V8 engine paired up with a 2-speed automatic transmission, and the color is called a regimental red with a parchment interior, And this only has 85,424 actual miles on it and is going for $35,000 even. Here's a 1983 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe. This is powered by a 305 LG4 V8 engine paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission. This one has 98,426 actual miles on it and is only going for $19,950. Here's a 1957 Chevy Bel Air 4-door sedan. This one's powered by a 283 V8 engine paired up with a 2-speed automatic transmission. And this one's only going for $21,500. Okay, here's a 1976 Oldsmobile Cutlass Salon hardtop. This is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired up with a 3-speed automatic transmission. And the color is called cream gold with a tan interior. And this has only got 26,181 actual miles on it. And this is going for $16,500. The body is nice and straight except for one dent in the front panel, and I'll show you that in a second. Right up in the front here. That can be easily fixed. Here's a 1960 Ford Thunderbird hardtop. It's powered by the 352 cubic inch V8 engine paired up with a 3-speed automatic transmission. And the color is called a Raven Black with the black interior. And it has 84,114 actual miles on it. And this one's going for $28,500. Man, look at the interior on this thing. Very nice. Leather interior. Bucket seats in the front. Very nice. Okay, here's a 1968 Chevy Corvette convertible. This one's powered by the 327 cubic inch L79 V8 engine paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. And the color is called a Corvette Bronze with a black interior. And this one's going for $34,500. Now this car does have a numbers matching 327 and a matching Muncie M20 4-speed manual transmission. Okay, here is a 1989 Ford Mustang LX convertible, and this one's powered by a 5.0 liter V8 engine paired up with a 4-speed automatic transmission. The color is called a bright regatta blue metallic with an Oxford white and regatta blue interior. And this one's going for $25,900. Here's a 1980 Datsun 280ZX Coupe. This has a 2.8 liter single overhead cam straight 6-cylinder engine paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission. And the color is called a mahogany metallic with a tan interior. And this only has 67,244 actual miles on it. And it's going for $26,000. Okay, next up is a 1968 Ford Mustang hardtop. This one is powered by a 347 cubic inch V8 stroker paired up with a 3-speed automatic transmission. And this one's going for $32,000. Here we have a 1974 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia coupe, and this one's powered by the 1585cc flat 4-cylinder engine paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission, and the color is called a Saturn Yellow with a black interior, and it only has 19,681 actual miles on it. This one's going for $17,500. Okay, here's a 1952 Chevrolet Styleline Deluxe Bel Air Coupe. And this is powered by the 235.5 cubic inch straight 6-cylinder engine paired up with a 2-speed automatic transmission. And the color is called a spring green and beach white with the moss green and charcoal interior. And this one's going for $32,000. Okay, next up is a 1964 Chevy Impala SS hardtop. This one's powered by a 230 cubic inch straight 6-cylinder engine paired up with a 2-speed automatic transmission. And this one's only going for $29,000. It's got bucket seats, a decent interior. This is a pretty good car. I like these old Impalas. Okay, this is the last one for today, everybody. Here's a 1966 Chevy Malibu Chevelle convertible. This one's powered by a 327 cubic inch V8 engine paired up with a 3-speed automatic transmission. And the color is called a Marina Blue with the blue interior, and it's got 118,100 actual miles on it, and this one's going for $35,000.